Be gentle with her things, please. You're so funny. Is your brother funny? Oh, what are you reaching for? Oh, give her that, honey. She wants that. Give her that toy. Look, she's so excited she got it. Thank you for sharing with her. Gentle. What are you eating? What'd you find on there? What were you eating just now?
The little thing for the squishies I eat.
What'd you eat?
The squishy thing around your blanket.
I'm a little bit concerned about the squishy things.
I'm gonna read here, Mom.
I love to read. All right, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Before you say bye, tell me how old you are.
4.
How old's sister?
I don't know.
Almost 9 months old. 8 months. Can you say that?
8 months right now.
Yep.
8 months.
And do you love her?
Mhm.
Yeah. Tell her that.
I love you, baby sister.
What's her name?
Aaliyah.
Very nice.
I love you, baby.
Aaliyah, say I love you, Ian.
Yes, I love you. No.
Yep.
She said I love you.
Oh, that's good.